Hello, my name is David Osamuji. Welcome to another t-shirt design on Canva. I remain your host, David Osamuji, the owner and founder of What a T-shirt Design. I want to say thank you so much for the love you are giving my channel. Hope you guys had a lovely day yesterday. If you are watching this on the 15th, hope you had a good 14th of February. Hope you showed love to your loved ones and hope you said hi to them for me. I know someone is laughing over there. Thanks. I appreciate you. You're beautiful. I can see you even though you can't see me. I can't see you, but I assume you're having a good time. I want to say thank you so much. You guys are lovely. If you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe and watch this video to the very end. If you want to learn how to create a t-shirt design in Canva, please watch this video to the very end. So without wasting much of your time, let's go ahead and design a good one for today. Let's just open canva.com. So go to canva.com, just open this up, design something quickly, something that sells on Redbubble. People buy this kind of t-shirt, so it's not supposed to be hard to create. So now what we'll just do is to go to create a design, custom design. The standard is 4500 by 5400. Sorry, 5400. That's the standard. Pixel, create new design. Just create new design. This is super easy to do. It does not take time. It should not waste your time. So now we have the Canva open. What we have to do now is to bring in an element which I'm going to be using in this one. For this one I'm going to be using a box. As you can see, going to be using a box. I will change the color. So to do that, you can see the box is highlighted. If I click out, the box is not highlighted. If I click on it, it becomes highlighted and you notice this appears. So I'll just click on this and I want to make this okay, let me see a color. I don't want to make this black because I want it to also appear on a black shirt. So I'll just scroll and try to make it, let me see here, let me make it this color. Just make it this color, or yeah, let me just make it this color. Or let me see this now, let me make it this color. So the next step is for me to come to text. Please, I would advise you watch this to the very end. Don't skip this video, watch it to the very end, and when you're done watching, please go back and watch some other ones in the series. I have about 34, so say 35 episodes up. So just go back and watch others in the series. So without wasting my time, I'll click on this. It should appear in here, as you can see. It says also add. So I'll just click on this edge and I'll click on my left mouse button and just drag outwards. Reposition this into this box. I'll drag outwards again. Just reposition it into this box a little bit more, as you can see. So just do it a little bit more here. So now we have that. As you notice, it has this other text under which I don't want, so I'll just do on group. Then I'll click on this one alone, delete. Then for this, I'll just press my Alt key button, my left mouse key button, and just drag down to duplicate. It's as simple as that. So I'll just duplicate that. So this one is going to say pray. I'm going to say pray, so I'll just increase it again. Just increase it. Like get it to where I want it to be. Not where I want it to be, so I'll keep increasing it until it fits my design. So I think that's okay now. So just reduce it a bit so it fits the design. Okay, should fit the design. I don't want it outside that box I created for it, so just keep doing that. It's okay like this now. So I'll just go over to this and do same thing, double tap to highlight, and I'll just do add, and I'll just increase this too, and try to fit it into that box too. Just try and fix it into that box. There you go. So it says spray add. So now we're done with that. So the next step will be, you guys can see this box is empty, so I'll duplicate this again, just highlight that and just duplicate this, and I'll just highlight it again by double tapping. I'll do 100%, increase that. So just increase that. Okay, so just move it till, just move it a little again. Yeah, so I'm okay with this. So it says spray add 100%, so I'm okay with this. And one thing I have to tell you is that the free version of Canva won't give you the opportunity to remove the white background you see here. Don't give you that opportunity to remove that white background. You won't get that opportunity. So if you download this now, you can't get the white background because it's using the free version of Canva Pro. So if you want the Pro version, you just have to request for the link in the comment. Let me know in the comments, just request, I would give you the link. You get a 30 days free on me on Canva Pro, and I think after that is about $9 to $12. Can't really remember the range now, but I think it's about $9 to $12 for the Pro version after a month, so you can get that. So please, if you're still with me and you want to learn and you are still learning, let's go on to the next step. So just click on download. It's gonna prepare my downloads. So as you can see, it's downloaded now. So all I have to do is to come over to make sure we have it. Show folder should be this spray. You see, this is it. This is our design. As you can see, it has the extra white background. So I'll just teach you a little trick. If you don't have money now to invest into your designs and you have Photoshop, or you can download Photoshop, but Photoshop, I must tell you the truth, is a pro app too. So if you already have Photoshop, cool, but if you don't have it, you might still have to pay for it. So what I'll do is to open this in Photoshop. Open in Photoshop. If you've watched all my videos, you will know how to do this by now. If you go through all my videos, for all my Canva t-shirt design videos, if you go through them, they'll be linked at the end of the video though. You'll be linked at the end of the video on my end screen. If you go through them, you should know how to do this. So I'll just click on this folded paper you see here. Just click on it. It creates a new layer. I'll come out to this layer, come to my magic word tool. This is a magic word tool. Click on it, and I'll click on this white background, and I'll just click on delete on my keyboard, and voila, we have the white background off. Now we are just left with our design. So we'll just save this. We'll just save this as spray add. Come to pictures, just say spray. So we'll have it as spray. Save it as PNG because we want the background not to be there. Because if you save it as JPEG, it's gonna have a white background. So if you save it as PNG, there won't be a background. So I'll just click on save. Just save it. So now we'll just have that. So it has saved it. So now the final step will be for us to put it on a mockup, because we might want to promote our shirt. I know everyone wants to make profits with their t-shirt design, so you want to sell it. So to sell it, you can do that on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and you can't just sell your design. Nobody will give you that watching eye. So to increase your sales, you have to put on a mockup. So I'm going to be using a mockup here. My past videos, I would use this. If you watch my past video, you'd have seen me using this. So I'll just, for this one, I'll just use this mockup. I think it's the anger mockup. No, not this. not this. I'll just go ahead and use the, okay, let's use this for this one. Let's use this. So let's use this. So all I have to do now is now come to, I'll click on this. It says place artwork here, so I'll just delete this artwork and I'll bring in our new artwork. I'll just bring in our new artwork here, which is pray. So I'll come to pictures again, find pray. Yeah, this is it. So I'll just bring it into this. As you can see, so press enter. See, it came in without the background, which we wanted it to come in without that background. So I'll just click on save. Click on save. If we go back, we'll see it on our shirts. As you can see, it's extremely big. It's extremely big and we don't want that. It's extremely big. So we'll go back and do your Ctrl T over your mouse to this edge. You press down 3 button, Alt key button, Shift key button, and your Alt key button, Shift key button, and your left mouse click button. Pressing down, you just drag inwards, drag your mouse inwards to reduce, drag your mouse outwards to increase. So drag it inwards. You just press enter again. Then I'll click on save again. You just keep doing this until you get the desired size. Keep doing this until you get your desired size. So just Ctrl T, press enter, save, then you go back. I seriously don't like this mockup, so I'm not going to use this. So I'll just delete this and delete this. I don't like this mockup. I'm not a fan of that mockup, so I'll just go back and go to pictures again. Mockup, anger mockup. This is my favorite mockup. I love this. So I'll just go to design here. I'll delete this and I'll bring in our pray. This is it. So I'll just bring it in. I'll just reduce it a bit. So to reduce it, it's Alt key button, Shift key button, and your left mouse click button. You press them down together and you drag your mouse inwards. You just save that, and when you're done saving, you go back to your shirt. You can see it's quite big. So I'm gonna go back, but Ctrl T, those 3 buttons again, press enter, and save. Go back to shirt. Looks okay, but it's quite big, so I'll do my Ctrl T again. I've done this process 3 times so that you can get it fully. Over your mouse to this edge, press down 3 button, your Alt key button, your Shift key button, your left mouse click button. You press it down, you drag inward, drag your mouse inwards to reduce, drag your mouse outwards to increase. So I'll just drag it inwards. I'll press enter, then I'll save. And now you have it on your shirt. As you can see, it's on your shirt. So I'll just say subscribe if you've not subscribed. You see there's a playlist to your right. Click on that playlist now to watch more. See you tomorrow. Have a lovely day. Bye.